Alright, so I thought I'd do a quick little update video partway through. Got all the carpet off, seats out, steering wheel off, all the electronics removed. I've got new cables ran and connectors on the battery. Took out the old fuse panel and the switches. As you can see, those are going to need to be replaced. They do work, so I'll save them in case I need them for something. But just wanted to show you what it looks like right now. Well, everything's torn out of it. So what I'm working on at the moment is I got this piece of aluminum I showed in the first video that is going to be my new instrument panel. This is going to lay right there. Then I can put all my switches, keys, or ignition rather, on that just to kind of clean it up. But I'm just trying to figure out at the moment what kind of layout I want to go with, just kind of where I want everything. So when it's all done aesthetically, it'll look good and then still be easy to function. So show you what I've taken out of the boat. That was a little seat that was modified to put in the front so you could sit on the bow and fish. All this stuff was stored away. There's the old seats. Here's the sides that I took out, and I saved them because even though they're pretty well roached, I can peel off all the vinyl and the carpeting, and they're still in good enough shape that I can use them as a template when I cut the new ones. There's some of the carpet I took out. Another seat. I'm probably going to use one of these old seats and put it back up where the steering wheel is right there, so somebody could sit on the back of the boat and fish if they wanted to. But that's just a quick little update. I'll post something again once I get a little further along.